This is Chris from Munch and welcome to another fast food file. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine stretchy, mozzarella, classic garlic sauce, and oregano on a crème fraiche base.
Join up.
Cheesy, if I do say so myself. Well, for $5 that's a good price and a great pizza. And while you're here, if you can find time to subscribe my channel, I pretend to really care, even though I don't because I know you're probably just unsubscribed. So yeah, do that. See where they get you. Well done. So start by mixing your dough. Wet stuff is marjoram garlic, infused olive oil, juice and water. Dry stuff is corn flour and plain flour. Chuck them together in a bowl and mush them all together. Leave it and stir until baloony. Add some more flour and beat it up a bit more. It's dirty, it deserves it. Mistreated. Put some flour on the surface, whack your ball of dough down, stretch it out till it's the same length as my burner. Next, chuck some butter in a pan and melt it. Then put your dough in. Cream cheese. Heavy cream. Crème Fraiche base. Pepper and chilli. Salt and oregano. Garlic. Cheese. Chuck it under the grill. Take it down to a $1.45. Slice it up and have a bite. You can snort it. This is Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Ta.